Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox Spectra breast pump. I know this is not usually my forte, but recently we got a second child and that's why we got this new pump. So this is Spectra S2 plus pump. Let's go ahead and take it out. And it has just billing information, top, side. So let's go through its feature. Massage mode, display with auto timer, adjustable suction level, closed system, ultra quiet, and it has some LEDs as well. So my wife is currently using for her first child the same model, and that's why and she was happy with it, so we ordered the same one. Let's go ahead and open this with my, as always, flimsy hands. Okay, so instruction manual we got in here, congratulations card for some reason, whatever. This is a one bottle with all the accessories, second bottle with all the accessories, adapter with a barrel jacket. Let's check the power rating. It says 24 watts, so 12 into 2 will be 24 watts. Okay, and here comes the main pump. So this is how it looks like on the top, front. So here you could insert one of this suction pipe, go here, and we can take this one off as well, and then you can also insert the second one here. Side power cord, that's pretty much it. The bottle goes in here. So this is cycle, plus and minus. You can increase how frequently it gonna like suck in air, and then this is vacuum, how powerful it should be. This is a LED light button. Okay, so I just plug this in like that, and to turn it on, press this power button and hold it for a couple of seconds like that. Hope I'm doing it right. To turn on LED, it has two tone, two level, not two tone, and then these cycles, plus minus, high frequent, and the suction power. So if I turn it all the way up, you might be able to hear it. That's pretty much it for this unboxing video and how to use it. There's nothing crazy here, and that's how you turn it off. Pretty straightforward. We like the brand, like the quality. That's pretty much it for this video. Take care guys.